Do you want to learn how to add a music on Canva video? I'll show you how. First, head over to canva.com and over here you will find videos on this. Click on it. You can create a blank video by clicking here, or on the top right corner you're going to find this button which says create a design. If you click it, in the drop down menu you can find video. If you do not go from this video from here or here, you will not be able to see a timeline below, which is essential if you want to add an audio file, which could be one of the reasons why you're not able to add an audio to your design. If you have not clicked on video and if you have clicked on Instagram's post, that could be one reason. Click on a blank video. If you have already created a video and you don't see the timeline below, it's best you can create a new blank video from here. On the bottom, you will see this timeline. On the left hand side, you will find all the menu buttons. You will find this audio. If you do not see this audio here, on the top, you will find this apps. Click on it and scroll down. Here you will find this more from Canva, and you will have audio here like this one. If you click on it, you will have the audio tab. So first go to elements and we will add a video. Let's add a beach video. Go to videos tab here. If you're on some other tab, go to videos tab and click on this, and it's going to insert the video in our canvas. And let's right click it and set video as background. Now to add the audio, go to the audio tab. You will have all these audio files available, which is music. On the top, you will find all the categories. And this is the filter. You can see you can filter from free or pro version. The vocals, instruments, instrumentals, and effects. You can also have effects, sound effects. Because I've already got the pro version of Canva, I can use all the pro elements of Canva. I'm just going to use one of them. Let's just take this one. You can drag it and it will give this option. You can put it here. So our audio is currently inside this canvas. If you want to edit it, click on either of these ends and drag it like this. If you just want the audio to start from this side or the end. Now after this, on the top, you have this beat sync. If you have an audio with a lot of beats and you want to sync it with the video, you can do that by beat sync, which is on the pro version. Or if you're on the free version, you can display the beat markers. The left hand side, there's adjust. If you click it, you can adjust the audio like this. You can just drag left and right and adjust it like this. Now we got audio effects. You can fade in and fade out. We can just do like 4 seconds and fade in and then fade out 4 seconds. And I will just put the whole music throughout this whole video and let's check it out. You can also reduce the volume of it by clicking on this icon and then reducing the volume like this. Now click on play button and you can play the entire video and you will have an audio inside it. Maybe you want the sound effects of waves. So let's go over to audio again, filter it by effects, and I will say waves. So here you will find a lot of options for ocean waves. So I'm just going to select one of them and drag it over here. The music is at, let's make it around 15 volume. For the beach sound effects, we're going to make it like, now let's take a look at it. I'm going to play it using this button. So this is how you can add a music or an audio track to your Canva project. I hope you found this video helpful and see you in the next one.